Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to set up the Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200. First, place your Verizon Wi-Fi extender E3200 near your Verizon router during the setup process. Make sure both devices are powered on. Now connect the extender to the router using an Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the router's LAN port and the other end into the extender's Ethernet port. Wait a few minutes while the extender powers up and begins detecting the router. The status light on the front will start changing as the connection is established. Once the light turns solid white, the extender has successfully connected to the router and is ready to use. If you prefer a wireless setup, place the extender within range of your Verizon router and turn it on. Then press the WPS button on your Verizon router. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the E3200 extender. Wait for the devices to pair. The status light will blink during the process and eventually turn solid white when the connection is successful. After setup is complete, move the extender to a location between your router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Avoid placing it behind large furniture, inside cabinets, or near devices that may cause interference. Once positioned, reconnect it to power and wait for it to fully start up. Now connect your phone, tablet, computer, or other devices to the extended network. In most cases, the extender will use the same Wi-Fi name and password as your Verizon router, allowing devices to switch automatically between them. Finally, test your internet connection in the area where you previously had weak coverage to make sure the extender is improving the signal. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.